Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so I've just done a quick clean on my bench because everything keeps growing in this direction. Anyway, I found this Whitco Deadlatch, an old school one. Basically, you retract the tongue and you push it in, you can lock it. This one here is pretty cooked and it's going to go in the bin, but what I thought I'd do is I'd show you the part that we actually sell. So if you find that your latch is not popping out correctly and it's not flicking back out again, it retracts okay but doesn't project out, I'll show you what the problem is and I'll show you how to fix it. So this will go straight in the bin afterwards because this one's cooked. I can even tell it's bent and seen better days. But for this one little example, it will work just fine. So removing the two screws on the side and then just take your look out from the backing plate. Oh look, we've got screws in there. That doesn't live there. And look at that screw. That's had a hard life. Anyway, that goes in the rubbish. So you see this spring here on the side here? This is what always breaks, this spring right here, that spring. And we sell a replacement one. So you simply put it in like so, the straight leg on the latch, the leg with the little lump, that just clips in there like so. Okay, so the lump on that side, the straight leg on that side, and that will allow you to actually retract the latch. On this one it won't because the whole thing's completely gone. And we've got screws in there from who knows where. Okay, so there we go there. So some of the symptoms are that the latch doesn't come all the way out, you can see that, or it doesn't come out at all. Once you put the new spring in, like that, that's how you put it in, and then you just flick it underneath like so. Then you'll actually have spring latchiness in your latch. So that part's available from our lock shop, link is down in the description, and yeah, you can keep this lock working for another so many years just by replacing that simple part, rather than have to fit a whole new one, carve in the strike on the frame, take you half a day and putty and making it all look nice because they're a different shape. If you just replace the spring, get you out of trouble, keeps the lock working, and then everybody's happy. So it's good to have one in your truck, a spring, at least that way you can get out of trouble and just keep the lock working in the event that you just want to get it quickly fixed and move on. Okay, thanks for watching.